This lesson so far has provided you with general knowledge on the Prime Ministers of Canada. We've looked at who some of them were as leaders and what they contributed to Canada. This lesson is intended to inform you of how these leaders have shaped our country through the decisions they have made and the results of those decisions. Hopefully, this lesson demonstrates the level of responsibility the Prime Ministers hold and to show you the importance of being educated about the past, present, and future of Canadian politics. Now that you have a general understanding of the Prime Ministers and their duties, we are now going to look more in depth at them. First, I would like each of you to pick a partner for this assignment. Once you have found your partner, I would like you to select a Prime Minister that interests you. Please come to me with your choice, as no group can do the same person, and it will be on a first-come, first-served basis. Once you've been given permission to go ahead, I will dedicate today's class in the computer lab for you and your partner to do research on the internet. After today, any work on this assignment will be done on your own time. You and your partner are being asked to research biographical information, events associated with that Prime Minister, important political changes they made during their term, and if these changes impacted Canada. Some Prime Ministers may have more information about them and their actions. If you're having difficulty finding enough information on your Prime Minister, please come to me for help. After researching, you and your partner will use Google Docs to create a document in which you will present to the class. This document needs to be a minimum of 2 full pages in length and should include text and images, as well as any other form of media you think would be beneficial. Your presentation should be 5 to 10 minutes in duration. During this presentation, I expect you to have a thorough knowledge of your Prime Minister, so that you are not just reading your document. You should also be prepared to answer any questions your fellow classmates should have. Once you've completed your assignment, please share your work on Google Docs with the class so that while presenting, they can have your work up on their screen in front of them. You will not only be graded on the content of your document and presentation, but also your use of Google Docs. If you have any trouble with the program, please refer back to the video that I have provided. Here is an example of what I'm looking for. Please note that you should most likely make your document more visually appealing than this. Thinking outside the box is encouraged. Does anyone have any questions? No? Well, you can go ahead and pick your partner and get started.